All right, hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm going to show you more of a fun tutorial, and this does apply to business. I will do one with product to show you guys how this works. But let's say you want to turn your dog into a Pixar character, right? And animate it. So I'll show you today the two tools I use. I'm using ChatGPT. You can use any text to image generation tool. I'm going to also test out Kling.ai and also Google AI Studio, which is VEO, and that's a new tool that just came out. So the first thing I'm going to do is pop in the image of my dog. I'll say, can you please create this into create my dog into an image Pixar cartoon. All right, here we go. So I asked it to create an image. I realized it did portrait, but we want landscape. So I asked it to redo the landscape in 6:9 ratio. So this will be better for the video generation. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go to Google AI Studio, and we also have Kling. So Google AI Studio, we're going to go to video generation, and can you please use the attached image of my dog, my Pixar dog style image, and make the fur blowing in the wind, and please add some fall leaves falling. Okay, so we're gonna add in the dog, upload the image, and I'm going to copy that prompt because I want this to be fair. So I'm going to run that here. Now I'm going to go over to Kling, put the prompt. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Let's just do 5 seconds. Generate. One minute here. Oh, I didn't press run. Run. So you can see here that this has been running for 40 seconds roughly, and to compare it to Kling, we estimated wait time 1 minute. So they're probably... Okay, here we go. Let's see. Let's play the video. I have to say that is pretty good. Okay, the fur moves a little. I mean, I'm pretty impressed with it. Okay, so now Kling, you gotta do something good here. Let's see. 30 seconds still. So yeah, this stuff will speed up with time. And yeah, you can use this for products if you do have a business or whatnot. You can animate your products stills, and I will show that in my next tutorial. But I thought it'd be fun just to show you guys the capabilities of this and how far it's come. And every week, it seems like there's a new update here. Still says 30 seconds. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, I want to put these side by side now. This one moves the fur a little better, the eyes. Anyway, this is just amazing, and like I said, every month or so it keeps getting better. I'll show you guys on my next tutorial how to animate even more.